Yes, this is the face. This is the face we're gonna do today. If you like it, I hope you keep on watching. Bye. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take some powder and powder my lace. Also got some Ghost Bond glue, and I'm going to just take the smallest amount. Maybe a smaller tipped brush. So I want to get back into doing more videos. I have this whole setup for video. I have this whole setup for videos, and I haven't even been filming any. Shame. Like, I want to do makeup full time, but the thing about me is that I want to do my makeup full time. I have social anxiety. I don't want to say I'm scared of people, but I have social anxiety. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way. So the thought of just having to conversate with another person, multiple people, daily, all the time, dip brow pomade in Ebony for my eyebrows, and I'm using this brush I got from the hair store. These clips don't want to stay up. Also, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a wig laying tutorial. I don't lay it like perfectly, but this girl, I'm gonna insert a picture, laid my wig yesterday, and not the day before yesterday, and it was up here. Like when she was doing my edges, she was doing it over my eyebrow. No, that's a no, ma'am. That is not the way, not the freaking way. Ignore the random eyelash on my foundation, but I use the Too Faced Peach Perfect in Toffee, and I use this flat brush for the top. I used to use concealer to blend out the top and the bottom, but then I like quickly realized that it's not the way to go because it's a mess. It's a mess. I can just add concealer at the top if I want it, but it's nothing that I should do. Now take my foundation brush. I use the same brushes all the time, so like if you go back to my videos, you'll definitely see that I use the same brushes literally all of the time. Okay, I'm gonna get some foundation on my face, and then I'm gonna use my Hangover RX by Too Faced, and it's a replenishing face primer. Kind of has a tint, but I mean it's completely, you know, not my color, so it's literally just a primer for me. And I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I see a lot of people apply it with a brush. I have never done that personally, but I can. I need a flat brush, and this one's kind of big. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Just apply it to the brush. I think it makes it more full coverage. to avoid is over concealing and then looking ghostly. So yeah, I'm trying to watch out for that. A gift card to Ulta, so like I use it to contour my nose, but like in reality it just makes me not look as, what's the word, pale in this area. It really blends together and makes my nose look really good though, not gonna lie. But yes, interaction is scary for me, and I feel like such a freaking B word, like, baby. Not the word, but you know, because like I get so scared around people, and I feel like such a freaking P word. Like, I don't know, people just, they don't scare me. I don't really want to tell people that people scare me, but how else do I put it? Oh, I dipped on the mirror side. But how else do I put it? Like, I have such a hard time, like, relating to people. Like, I'm such a homebody. Like, if someone starts a conversation with me, I'm just, like, basically agreeing with them and whatever they say, which isn't good because I don't want to be a yes man or anything, but I don't know, it's just really hard for me to relate to other people. Like, people go out and have friends and I don't. I have been invited out a couple of times, but I just feel uncomfortable because I'm not the outgoing type. I like to go out and have fun, you know, if it comes down to it and I'm with the right crowd and I feel comfortable enough to express myself, you know, join in on conversations, then yeah, I'm having a good time. But I just had a long life of okay, so yes, this is the face all complete. Car heading to the movies. See, keep saying that, but like I want to record everything. I want to record everything. Okay. Anyways, I'm back from the movie. We saw Resident Evil, and my boyfriend told me that that movie wasn't gonna be scary. He must have lied, cause that movie was scary. I was scared. Don't be mad at me, I lied. But I am going to the vlog type style videos. I really want to. It's something I really want to do. But anyway, I took my makeup off and lay my lace back down because I'm not a pro, just getting started. But yeah, that'll be the next video. I'm gonna try to put on a whole wig, so like that'll be that. See, this wig was put on by somebody else. But like I said, the lace was covering, like, it was bad. It was really bad. But yeah, I'm back from the movie and I'm gonna go off. I'm about to take a shower and then I'm going to bed. Thanks for watching.